Square of a number having 5 units place. Let us consider some numbers like 15, 25, 35, 105, 85, etc. Finding squares for these type of numbers becomes very easy. Finding 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 105 square, 85 square. First we have 15 square. We have to check which part of the number is there other than 5, that is 1 in this case. So we have to write 1 and write its successor. 1 successor is 2. Just multiply them and write the product together with 25. So 1 into 2 is 2 and just write 25 at the end. It will become 225. Next question, that is 25 square. So which part of the number is there other than 5, that is 2. So for 2 we have to write successor and multiply them, and at the end we need to add 25. 2 3s are 6, it will become 625. So no need to write this process every time, you can do this in mind. So 35 square, that is which part of the number is there other than 5, that is 3. For 3 we will be writing successor 4, multiply them and add 25 at the end, that is 3 4s are 12, 1225. Generally we call this number as 1225, but in this process we are separately writing 25 and 12. So try to read it as 1225. There is no mistake in calling this number as 1225. Next number is 45 square. In this the part other than 5 is 4. Write its successor, that is 5. Multiply them and at the end you add just 25. So 4 5s are 20. So it is 2025. Next 55 square. Other than 5 we have 5 here. So 5 successor is 6. Multiply them and add 25 at the end. 5 6 are 30. So that is 3025. We'll see some more questions. 65 square. So other than 5 we have in this number, that is 6. Successor of 6 is 7. Find the product and add 25 at the end. 6 sevens are 42, 125. And 7 successor is 8. Multiply 7 and 8. At the end you add 25. It will become 5625. 8 successor is 9. Multiply them and add 25 at the end. 8 9s are 72, 125. 9 successor is 10. Multiply them and add 25 at the end. It will become 90, 125. So naturally a question arises, that is, can we apply this method for 3-digit number? Of course, yes, we can apply this method for 3-digit number. Let us see how. 105 square. In this number, which part of the number is there other than 5? That is 10. For 10, we will write the successor, that is 11, same as the previous method. So just multiply them and add 25 at the end. So 10 into 11 is 110, 125. So in your mind, you are taking these numbers separately, 110 separately and 25 separately. So we can call this as 110, 125. And next we have 115 square. In this, the part other than 5 is 11 here. So 11 successor will be 12. Multiply them and add 25 at the end. 11 into 12 will be getting 132, 125. 13225 is the answer. 125 square. In this, the number other than 5 is 12. So 12 successor is 13. Just write them and find their product and add 25 at the end. So the product is 156, 125. 13 successor is 14. So multiply them and add 25 at the end. We'll be getting 182, 125. 14 successor is 15. Multiply them and add 25 at the end. 14 into 15 will be getting 210, 125. Now it is your turn to practice some questions. So there are some questions on the screen. Try all these questions yourself. Please pause the video here and try all these problems, and when you are ready with the answers, then you can continue. So here are the answers. I hope all of you have got the correct answers. Take some more numbers like this which are having 5 in the units place and apply this method to find the square. Thank you.